In a world where melted ice, soggy food, and constant cooler refills are still the norm, the Anker SOLIX EverFrost 2 changes the game. Designed to be a true icebox replacement, this electric cooler gives you precise temperature control from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can even chill drinks, keep produce fresh, or even freeze meat on the go. Whether you're camping, road tripping, tailgating, or just hanging at the beach, the EverFrost 2 brings serious convenience and control. Big thanks to Anker for sending this over. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description. Let's check out what's in the box. Inside, you'll find the Anker SOLIX EverFrost 2 cooler, one removable battery, an AC adapter and charging cable, a car charging cable, an accessory container, a wheel chock, and product guides. Right out of the gate, one of the biggest draws is freedom from ice. No more melted messes or wasted cooler space. Just set your desired temperature and let the EverFrost 2 handle the rest. With even and fast frost flow cooling, the unit can drop from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Inside, food and drinks stay evenly cooled, so there are no warm patches or surprises. Running on one 288 watt-hour battery, you'll get up to 52 hours of cooling. Add a second battery and you can stretch that up to 4.3 days. Perfect for extended trips or off-grid adventures. Need to recharge? You've got options. Use a 100-watt solar panel, a car outlet, wall plug, or USB-C. The cooler itself doubles as a power bank too, with 12-watt USB-A and 60-watt USB-C ports to keep your devices powered in a pinch. And thanks to Anker's InfiniPower battery tech and LFP cells, you'll get 10 years of daily use from the included battery. Want even more control? Connect to the EverFrost 2 using the Anker app over Bluetooth. You can adjust the temperature, monitor battery life, and even turn the unit on or off without opening the lid or leaving your campsite. The EverFrost 2 is launched to glowing reviews, currently sitting at 4.9 out of 5 stars. Users love the powerful cooling, long-lasting battery, and app integration. Some mention that it's bulkier and heavier than a standard cooler, but most agree that it's a fair trade-off for ditching ice completely and gaining temperature control. As more reviews roll in, we expect the score to settle slightly, but early feedback is overwhelmingly positive. If you're ready to upgrade your outdoor setup, the Anker SOLIX EverFrost 2 offers modern cooling with zero compromises.